Service in Chicago has special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 9:15 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., a cluster of strong to severe thunderstorms was located over Will, southern DuPage, and southern Cook counties, moving northeast at 45 knots. In excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores Edmond Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, Indiana Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, Burns Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois, northwestern Indiana, and adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National